What's going on, everybody? Today we got a new knife in, a new cold steel. Let's get to it. I had the Recon 1 probably 2 years ago. Beat the heck out of it. Ended up giving it away to a friend who was a little more in need of a knife at the time, so it was time for me to get another cold steel. So we moved today into the code 4. Let's get this thing out of the box here. Not a huge backlock type person, but you know, you gotta have a pocket clip. Yeah, not a huge backlock type guy, but I figured, oh geez, well, it's a lot like getting a Tucson in the mail. Yeah, I'm not a huge backlock, but you know, this is it's all for the channel. So yeah, it's looking good. That's thin. I've never had a code 4 before, so this is my first time. Hell yeah. Yeah, it feels good in the hand. Some nice blade stock. It's always a bad habit of doing. It's all right now because it's pretty stiff. S35VN now. We can get that on camera. There you go. Yeah, it's S35VN now, so which I like. I don't mind S35VN. Nice aluminum handles. Yeah, it's a nice looking knife. Yeah, it's a lot thinner than the Recon, you know. I mean, there's nothing to it. It's a pretty thin knife. Yeah, it's not even a half inch. A third of an inch. Yeah, that's pretty nice. That's not bad at all. Like I said, it feels good in the hand. Got a nice amount of blade right there. Yeah, that. For a backlock knife, yeah, that works. They give you another pocket clip, obviously for left-handers. Tip up carry. Very nice, very nice. Thumb stud's pretty good. You can roll it right out. Yes, sir. That is the Code Steel Code 4 in S35VN. That should be a pretty good carrying knife. Like I said, I mean, it's a lot thinner than I thought. Yep, that's a nice knife. Not bad for a backlock. Yeah, there she goes. Yeah, she'll take some breaking in. You really have to, when you do that, you're really supposed to keep your finger up there so it doesn't guillotine your finger. That's pretty nice. I think that'll be a pretty good EDC knife. Tip up, obviously. Yeah, well, we'll get to carrying it along with so many other knives I have to carry right now. But that is the new Code Steel Code 4 for the channel. And we'll get to reviewing that soon. All right, guys, have a great day. We'll catch you next time. Make sure you like and subscribe. We always got more stuff coming. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye.